Hi everyone, thanks for dropping by my YouTube channel today, where I'm doing final tests on Corbin's Breckwell brand Pellet Stove Controller. As you can see, this is an older controller, but it's still quite functional and it's actually in pretty good condition. Corbin sent me this one because he was having some Auger Drive problems. It wasn't functioning at all correctly, so after discussing this with him, we made the decision to have him send it to me. I've received it earlier today, performed some troubleshooting, replaced a few components, and the controller is now once again functional. After repairing it, I tested it and it's now ready for final test before I package it and return it to Corbin. As you can see, I currently have Corbin's controller connected to my tester. My tester has a faceplate which has an actual auger motor mounted behind it. The shaft for the auger motor comes out the front, and on the shaft I have a small decal that will spin whenever the auger motor is asked to spin by the controller. As well, I have 3 light bulbs in the back. One light bulb with a blue indicator on it is for the combustion fan. The one with the yellow indicator is for the auger motor, and the one with the red is for the convection or room fan. As I noted, when the controller calls for the auger, we'll see the shaft spin here. You'll probably hear the auger spin on the video, and you'll see this light come on all at the same time. Let's go ahead and turn it on and we'll start testing. So we're in the low position right now. We see that the combustion fan has come on, and we see that the convection is on low. I can go through B, C, and high. As I rotate the switch, you see the intensity of the light bulb change, so that's functional. And if I go to high fan, we'll also see the intensity of the light go high. You see that happen there. The other test I can do is the manual feed. This is a momentary switch. If I push it up, we'll see the indicator for the auger motor come on. We'll also hear the auger motor drive, and we'll see the decal spin. Let's do that. There you have it. So that's functional. All of the manual tests are working correctly, so let's go into automatic mode. To do that, we press on the auger button at the top here, and that will cause a couple of things to happen. One being that the green light at the top here will come on, and since I'm in a low mode, approximately 25 or 30 seconds will elapse before we see the indicator here come on right behind the faceplate, and that will make the auger motor drive. So let's do that. Press, and there we see the green light has come on just above the word auger. Now a timer has started inside the controller, and that timer takes approximately 25 seconds before the first cycle of the auger motor happens. So let's wait for that to happen. While we wait, I will note that the rotary switch here and the 2 slide switches are really no longer available as replacement parts. I have performed searches for those, but without any success. So they're not brand new. There we see the first cycle of the auger. The switches are not brand new. I cleaned them up as best as I could, but there's limits to what we can do with the repair of these controllers. They are functional. Let's wait for another cycle of the auger to happen, and then we'll switch over to high mode. There we go. The next thing we'll do is go to C, and as we do that, we see the intensity of the light bulb go up, which would indicate that the combustion fan would be running harder. And when we get the first cycle, it's a much longer on-duty cycle. So that's quite long compared to when I had it on low. But it will shut off on its own. There it is. Now if I go to high, the auger will come on and stay on. It will not turn off. For this model controller, the auger stays on when you're in high, so it continually feeds pellets into the fire pit. Let me go back to low and turn this off. So Corbin, I want to thank you very much for sending me your controller for repairs. I appreciate that very much. I'm just sorry that I can't do anything about the 3 switches for you. They are a little on the aged side of things, but they are functional. For all you viewers, I want to thank you very much for watching this video. Should you have a pellet stove controller of your own that needs service or repairs, please feel free to contact me. My contact information can be found in the video description just below this video. I'd be more than happy to speak with you about it. In the meantime, I hope that you'll take a few seconds to like this video by giving it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that. Thanks everyone. Bye-bye.